4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Special move. Hiya! Hiya! Attention. And bow. Ready, stance? Let's learn Rockin Tot Form 1. Attention. Bow. Ready, stance. Hiya!
Hiya!
Rockin Tot Form 1.
Rockin Tot Form 1.
1. Do a right leg forward front stance. 2. Jump switch and do a left leg forward front stance. 3. Do a horse stance. 4. Do a right low block. 5. Do a left low block. 6. Do a right punch. 7. Do a left punch. 8. Bring your hands up to guard. 9. Do a right front kick. 10. Do a left front kick. 11. Special move and yell, Hiya! Borrow, attention, and bow. Thank you. Last time, best time. Follow along.
Rockin Tot Form 1.
Rockin Tot Form 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Special move. Hiya!
Hiya!
Attention. And bow. Ready, stance?